In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through the overhead shrug movement, and we're going to be using a looped elastic band or looped resistance band for this exercise tutorial. Now, this is fantastic if you don't have access to a barbell, you want to do this exercise at home as part of a rehabilitation program, or alternatively, you don't have access to dumbbells. Now, with the resistance band, there's one subtle difference, which is when we come up into our position, our Y position to start the exercise, the more we pull on the band, the harder it's going to be. So make sure you pick a band that's a suitable resistance for you to do your appropriate repetitions that you want to complete the exercise with. Now, firstly, I'm going to step onto the band. I'll show you this front onto the camera and with my back towards the camera as well. And I want you to come into a nice wide position with your hands. My feet are hip width apart. I'm going to brace my core as I come up into a shoulder press position. Then I'm going to bring the band up into a Y position. Now, firstly, before you start doing your shrug movement, brace your core and glutes as hard as you can. Make sure you're keeping a neutral spine. And what I want you to do is try and bring your shoulders up, big squeeze, and that's going to be working your upper trapezius. Now, when you're squeezing at the top of the range of motion, now try to bring your shoulders back and down. So shoulder blades towards your back pockets to target your lower trapezius. Back up, targeting shoulder elevation, upper trapezius. Back down into depression, working lower trapezius. Now, so you can see that from the back. So I'm going to come up into my shoulder press position. Y position, and then from here, notice what's happening with my shoulder blades. So I'm coming up, elevating my shoulders towards the position of my ears, and now I'm going to try and depress those shoulder blades down, back up into elevation, and really squeeze and depress those shoulder blades down, and you're going to do that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions. That's how to work your overhead shrug movement with a resistance band.